My name's Johnny Branstine with National Carriers Incorporated. National's objectives is to look at something that we knew would be durable and reliable and meet our needs from a cost efficiency side. The DClimate met our needs for everything that we were looking at in terms of that sustainability. When we started with DClimate, we piloted approximately 12 units at that time. 6 years later, we are 100% electric APU, and that equates to about 550 trucks. It's been a great partnership. They give us front door access to the engineering department, and basically we helped them and they helped us work through some of the changes that we currently have today that makes this unit successful in our fleet. DClimate electric APUs has delivered on everything that we've set our sights on for our sustainability plans, our maintenance plans, our driver comforts. If you look at the CFM on DClimate, it matches OE on the truck vent coming out on the discharge side. Customer support side's great. The product is pretty simple and straightforward, and so most technicians can be talked through how to work on it. This evaporator section, the blower is right out here for easy maintenance. All of the duct work is tied back in to the OE duct work. The unit itself is small and compact, but yet we have the proper BTU capacity. It's a good clean package, and the drivers have a lot more room. With most of your APUs or electric APUs, there's very little residual value to the second end user. We've been testing the DClimate Lithium Pro. We see that as part of our sustainability, but also as a residual value to the second user, because of cycles, the VST cycle of the battery, it's going to have a huge impact on lowering cost for even the second user. My overall experience with DClimate has been great. DClimate has done an excellent job working with us, listening to us. It's a good product.